common Binance mistakes and how to avoid them. Are you using Binance but still losing money or making rookie mistakes? You're not alone. Today we're breaking down the most common Binance errors that cost users thousands and how you can avoid them. Let's make sure you're trading smart, not sorry. First up, security. One of the biggest mistakes, not enabling two-factor authentication. This is your first line of defense against hacks. Always use Google Authenticator or a security key, not SMS, which is vulnerable to SIM swaps. Many users skip setting up an anti-phishing code. This simple feature adds a security phrase to your official Binance emails, helping you spot scams and phishing attempts instantly. Jumping into trades without a plan, that's a recipe for disaster. Set entry and exit points, use stop loss and take profit tools, and always trade with a strategy. Don't let emotions take over. Market orders can cause you to buy or sell at worse prices, especially in volatile markets. Instead, use limit orders for better control over your trade execution. Don't overlook Binance's trading fees. Not using BNB to pay for fees, you're missing a 25% discount. Also, understand the difference between maker and taker fees to optimize your trades. Scammers list fake tokens with similar names. Always verify the contract address on Binance or trusted sources before investing in any token, especially on Binance Smart Chain. Don't store all your funds on Binance. For long-term holdings, use a hardware wallet. Exchanges can be hacked or face outages. Diversify your storage. Futures trading with 20x or 50x leverage, that's risky, especially for beginners. Liquidation can wipe you out in seconds. Start small, learn the mechanics, and manage your risk. Leaving your assets idle? Explore Binance Earn. Flexible savings, staking, launch pool, all offer passive returns on your crypto. Just make sure you understand the lockup terms. Withdrawing USDT on ERC20 instead of BEP20, you could be paying 10x more in fees. Always double check the network, choose the one compatible with your receiving wallet, and watch for lower fees. Binance evolves fast. New products, changing rules, token migrations. Subscribe to Binance's blog, Telegram, or Twitter to stay informed and avoid missing critical updates. Quick recap. Avoid these 10 mistakes to level up your Binance game, secure your account, plan your trades, understand fees, and stay informed. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment. What mistake have you made before, or which tip surprised you the most? Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep stacking those sats. See you in the next one. Subscribe for weekly crypto tips, tutorials, and updates. Don't let small mistakes cost you big profits.